You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this best AI sales agent called AnyBiz. So let's quickly dive into it. AnyBiz is an AI sales assistant built to automate outreach, follow-ups, and lead generation across channels like email, LinkedIn. Its biggest strengths are 24/7 AI agent, domain wrap-ups, call scheduling, and the personalized campaign that saves sales teams time while boosting conversion rate. This makes it ideal for business that want to scale fast without hiring a large SDR team. On the flip side, startup can be tricky, integration sometimes lag, and the pricing may feel steep for smaller team. While personalization works well, it can lack the nuance needed for high outreach sales. Overall, AnyBiz is a powerful tool for scaling outreach and winning lead efficiently, but it may not be the best fit if deep human connection is central to your sales strategy. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.